Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add protection to the furniture you paint. In my case, I'm going to apply a clear coat protection to the table I transformed. If you didn't see this transformation, I'm going to link the video in the description box so you can see it. This table was an ordinary, traditional looking table that I completely transformed to a one-of-a-kind. So now let's get started, let's get going. Let me show you how you can apply this protection coat to the furniture you paint. I'm going to apply Gator High by Dixie Belle. It's a protective coat that is the strongest Dixie Belle has, and that's what they recommended to me. It's finally in stock. I was waiting for it to be in stock to purchase it. So I am going to apply at least 3 coats of this. I'm going to sand in between. That's what they recommend. Let's get going. Let me show you step by step how you can use this product as well. First thing to do is to stir it really good. It's not enough to shake the container. You need to stir this product really good. I'm going to pour it in an empty plastic container, and I will pour a little bit and I will refill it as I go. I am applying this product with this applicator. It's a sponge by Dixie Belle as well, and I am just trying it for the first time, putting just a little bit of product in it. And what they suggest is to minimize the lines. It's to apply it in very few strokes. So I'm doing that, and so far so good. I like it. It glides really nicely. They also recommend you to use a brush or a sponge brush for this product. The key is to put very little product. As you can see, I'm getting rid of the excess. Now getting rid of all the drippings on the corner. You don't want any dripping to dry like that. And you're gonna continue doing this for the rest of your furniture piece. You see, I can hardly see this marks of the applications, but it's okay. I'm going to let it dry for 2 hours, and then I'm going to sand it using a 220 grit paper. I'm going to make sure that I clean the surface really well. Right now I am just getting rid of something that it fell on the table, so just make sure that before it dries you get rid of any particles that fall on the table for some reason. I don't even know what that piece was, but I got rid of it. So just be careful of that. Even my hair can fall on top of the table, so I need to make sure that I take it out before it dries. Very simple. I love this sponge applicator. So far, it's working really good. And just have fun. As you can see, I'm dancing here with music. Just take your time with this and enjoy the process. Now using a 220 grit sand block, I am just getting rid of the lines a little bit. To tell you the truth, the marks are so minimal. I'm just applying the technique that I was told to use. I don't think I need to do this as much as probably Other people do because the lines are very minimum and I don't see any improvement when I'm sanding it. I have to be very clear and honest with you. I don't see any difference. Maybe I need to use another type of grid sandpaper, but I'm okay with how it's turning to be. Look at it. I don't see any lines and I'm very happy with the results. Now, another thing that I learned to do is to apply the clear coat with a little bit of the color. So that I probably would have liked to try. Now, as you can see, I'm getting rid of any particles that the sand block left, so I can apply my second coat of gator hide. Make sure you use a length-free cloth. And for the last and third coat, I am applying another technique, adding color to the clear coat. But first, before I apply it to the top, I'm going to test it on the sides, just to make sure that I like the results. That's a very good suggestion. Always test it on sides of your furniture pieces. So if you don't like it, it's not a big deal. This technique of adding color to the clear coat, I learned it from Christina from Pretty Distressed. She recommends to add a little bit of the color to the clear coat to minimize the appearance of the applications when you are using this product, especially when you're using it on darker pieces. I like the results. I'm going to go ahead and apply it to the top of the table. And as you can see, I missed a spot, but I'm glad I did. And I can share with you how not to fix it right away. Don't go back and apply on top of your applications. Let it dry completely and go back to those areas that you obviously saw that you missed. Because if you apply on top of semi-dry applications, it's going to show more. The lines are going to show more. So just let it dry and go back and apply it again. In my case, I'm just pretty sure I'm gonna just leave it as is because it's drying very nicely. I don't see the lines that much, and then again my table is filled with texture in different colors. I don't want a smooth factory finish look, so I'm okay with the lines. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'm very satisfied with this application. Gator Hide is very good to apply, very easy, especially using the sponge applicator. I really enjoyed the process. Until next time, goodbye and thank you for watching.